Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm in alarm clock in Samsung. So if you want to set up your Samsung phone alarm and you would love to use the alarm clock, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set alarm in alarm clock, all you need to do is go ahead and open the clock app. Then on the navigation, locate and click on alarm. Click on the plus icon at top right. Then here, you should see set up your alarm. So set up your alarm. Now, select when you want the alarm to wake you. So it could be Monday through Friday or Monday through Saturday. After that, come here and give your alarm a name. So once you give the alarm a name, come down here. You should see alarm sound, vibration, and snooze. Now, if you want to disable vibration on alarm, disable this. Now, if you want to change your alarm sound, click on alarm sound. And then you should see the alarm sound you can use here. Once you click on ringtone, then you'll be able to change your alarm sound. And then select the alarm sound and hit the bar button. Once you click on the bar button, you can just come here, use this slider to increase or reduce the alarm volume. Then hit the bar button. Once you hit the bar button, go ahead and click on the save button. And then you should see alarm set for 1 minute from now. So that is 1 minute to 6. And I should see alarm. And it's going to ring. You see that? Then you can either dismiss or snooze. So that is basically how to set alarm in alarm clock on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.